Hello friends, myself Wale sir, working in Jawahar Secondary and Higher Secondary School, Kesapuri Camp, Majalgaon, as a English teacher. We want to share you some things that concern with 1.4 Be Smart. Everyone knows that Be Smart is the concept which teach us how to live without hesitation. Will you be happily, be very smart? First of all, we read this lesson passage be carefully, and then we detect, then underline some important points of the be smart. In this passage we learn use dictionary, then another apps we will use here to understand better to the lesson. Now first of all we read it, then all of you see be carefully and try to understand the meaning of the letters or the meaning of the words. Be smart. All of you look in your textbook, and then we will discuss after complete our reading. Champions aren't made in gym. Champions are made from something they have deep inside them. A desire, a dream, a vision. They have to have the skill and the will. But the will must be stronger than the skill. Successful professionals thrive in the same manner. We all have natural talent. If we use that talent to set our goal in life, we can easily get success in life. We shall not achieve our goal if we do not take action to achieve them. Setting goals has two valuable assets: a sense of originality and a stepping stone to illuminate the path. Goals put one at the hem of life. Perceiving them acknowledged a better future situation. They help to steer a course of life rather than simply drifting along and letting them things happen. Setting goals may appear easy, but for some it is quite challenging. Fear of failure may be avoided in the absence of any goals. After all, one has to decide what one wants to achieve in the end. To accomplish goal, expert recommended a 5-step approach. First of all, we try to understand the summary of the lesson in briefly. Champions. Let us start. Champions aren't made in gym. Do you understand what is meant by champions? Champions are a good players. Means they have the skill, and they do not make we do not make means we can say that champions are not made in a gym. G means Vyam Shala, and there champions could not make. Their champions aren't made. Champions are made from something they have deep inside them. How the champions made? Champions made with the quality deep inside them. Some things are, then that's why they made from something. Which things are very important or essential to make champions? Desire. One thing is desire. Champions. 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 Okay, look at. Then we desire. 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 Second point, important point. A dream. DREAM. Next, a vision. 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 Look, champions made from a desire, a dream, a vision. You may think that champions have a desire, champions have a dream, champions have a vision. These things are essential to make champions in our surroundings. So we clear the first two sentences. They have to have the skill and the will. They have to have means champions have the skill and then the will, but the will must be stronger than the skill. Okay, you understand? All of you look on the blackboard. The will must be stronger than the skill. The will, WILL, will must be, MUST, must be stronger, STRONGER, stronger than, THAN, than will. Now look, detect the meaning of the sentence. The will means our Ichha Shakti. Will must be stronger than will. Okay, you understand here? Will must be stronger than the skill, not will. Skill, SKILL. Skill is not essential. If we have a skill, many people have a skill, different types of skills they have, but in that skill is very essential. Will must be stronger than the skill, but will means इच्छा शक्ती ही स्किल पेक्षा ही स्ट्रॉंग असते, मजबूत असते. म्हणून नेक्स्ट सेंटेन्स we will detect here, but the will must be stronger than the skill. Successful professionals, who are become success in their life, we consider them as successful professionals. Suppose you may take the example of Ambani Group. Then thrive, THRIVE, thrive means prosper, vaibhav, bhavyata. In the same manner, we all have natural talent. Same manner. They are talent. We are also the talent. But each and everyone's talent is different. We all have natural talent. Naturally, we understand, we learn the talent. If we use that talent, suppose when we goes to walk, then that time we understand many things surrounded us besides us. Suppose flowers, that is lotus, then marigold, then lily. These types of information we understand from our complete our discussion with our elders, and then we can easily get success in life. Actually, successful person have talent, and we have a talent, then easily we become successful. We easily get success in our life. We shall not achieve our goal. If suppose you read this sentence, be carefully. We shall not achieve our goal if we do not take action to achieve them. We shall not achieve goal. Why? Because there is a reason. What is the reason given here? Do not take action to achieve them. If anyone could not act, could not do action, take action, then definitely we shall not achieve our goal. Goal means, what is meant by goal? Goal means आपण आपल्या मनामध्ये असलेली जी इच्छा आहे ती इच्छाशक्ती, त्या इच्छाशक्तीच्या जोरावर एखादी गोष्ट साध्य करणे, दॅट इज our goal. To reach on the top of, to become successful, that these are our goals. If we want, sometimes we think that I become prime minister, that is our goal. I want to become doctor, that is our goal final. If setting goal is very essential. Without setting, we could not try to complete, to work there, then definitely we could not become success. Setting goals has two valuable assets. Assets means two things which are, setting goals has two valuable assets: a sense of originality and sleeping stone. Okay, sense of, SENSE, of originality, ORIGINALITY. Originality. Then next, a sense of originality and a stepping stone. Second one is stepping, STEEPING, stepping stone, STONE. These valuable assets, these valuable things are very essential to make ourselves to be successful. A stepping stone to illuminate. What is meant by illuminate? Illuminate means enlighten. Enlighten means प्रकाशित करणे, असं म्हणता येईल आपल्याला या ठिकाणी. The goals put one at the hem of life. Hem of life means in charge of. In charge of means, what is meant by in charge of means In charge of means for. In charge of means for. Then perceiving them acknowledges a better future situation. Better future situation. ओके. योग्य प्रकारे उपयोग करणे, ध्येय पूर्ण करण्यासाठी. Perceiving them acknowledges to better future situation. Future situation, for the future situation we get knowledge. They help to steer, steer. Steer means channelize a courage of life rather than simply drifting along and letting things happen. One thing is important. आपले जे बुद्धी कौशल्य आहे याच्या जोरावरती आपणास जर आयुष्यातील ध्येय मिळवण्यासाठी योग्य प्रकारे आपण याचा उपयोग केला तर आपण निश्चितच आपल्या जीवनामध्ये यशस्वी होऊ शकतो. आपलं ध्येय पूर्ण होऊ शकतो. किंवा असंही म्हणता येईल, ध्येय पूर्ण करण्यासाठी आपण कृती केली नाही तर मात्र या ठिकाणी कोणतीही गोष्ट आपल्याला साध्य करता येणार नाही. म्हणून ध्येय पूर्ण करण्यासाठी ॲक्शन महत्त्वाचे आहे. ॲक्शन इज व्हेरी एसेन्शियल. विदाउट टेकिंग ॲक्शन we could not complete our task. Means the action is very important. Setting goals may appear easy. Suppose you think that setting goals is very easy. How does it possible? It is not easy for only for them who have a talent, who have a knowledge about the particular field. For some it is quite challenging. Means that task, what type of setting goals is the task, and that task is challenging in every situation, in every way. That is very challenging for them who have a little bit of knowledge about the field, or who have very few talent. Fear of failure's fear. Suppose you may take the example failure means become unsuccess in the particular field. We are called these person as a failure. Suppose in SSC board we could not get good marks above 35, then definitely we will be fail here. That's why failure may be avoided in the absence of any goal. Failure, ध्येय निश्चित करणे हे जरी सोपे वाटत असलं तरी ते एक आव्हानात्मक आहे, चॅलेंजिंग आहे. आज आपण या ठिकाणी पाहिलं, कोणतेही ध्येय नसेल तर अपयशाची भीती आपल्याला या ठिकाणी टाळता येते. ध्येय साध्य करायचे असेल तर या 5 टप्प्यांचा आपल्याला या ठिकाणी उपयोग करता येईल. म्हणजे सेटिंग गोल्स मे अपियर इझी. सेटिंग गोल्स इज look like as a very easy, but for some means for some people it is easy, but other peoples think that it is very hard. Easy, hard, both words are against, opposite. For them may be avoided in the absence of any goal. If anyone have another goal, then avoid it. Failure will avoid it. One has to decide what one wants to achieve. suppose you may take the example, someone has decided. What did he decided? What one wants to achieve, what one wants to achieve, म्हणजे एखाद्याला यशस्वी व्हायचे आहे असं त्याला वाटत असेल, तर या ठिकाणी ऑल वन हॅज टू डिसाइडेड, त्या सर्वांमधून एखाद्याने असं डिसाईड केलं की आपण आपल्या जीवनामध्ये जीवनाच्या शेवटपर्यंत आपल्याला या ठिकाणी यशस्वी होण्याची गरज आहे. टू अकम्प्लिश गोल, म्हणजे त्यासाठी आपल्याला काय करावं लागेल, तर ध्येय साध्य करायचे, तर या ठिकाणी आपल्याला काय करावं लागेल, टू अकम्प्लिश गोल एक्सपर्ट रिकमेंड a 5-step approach. दृष्टिकोन, expert says 5 important steps for becoming successful in our whole life. Okay, then all of you see which are very important, means 5 steps. Which are steps given here? The first step is SMART. SMART, smart. In this word there are 1 2 3 4 5 letters are given in the smart word. Then each and every one, you may you create here acrostic. An acrostic, yes is equal to specific. SPECIFIC. Then M is measurable. MEASURABLE, measurable. Then next third letter is A. A means achievable. Number A, achievable. ACHIVABLE, achievable. ACHIEVABLE, achievable. Then next, realistic. R means realistic. REALISTIC, realistic. And last one is T, means time watch. TIME, bond. BOND, time watch. Look, we have made here an acrostic from the smart word, and these are the valuable assets, valuable things to making ones to be successful. What should we do for become what did we become success for? If anyone think that anyone think that I like to work in a particular field, then you have discussed that point with our elders. They give you the supported information, and what should we do? We should, first of all, we should do means work hard. Without work hard, anyone could not become successful. So you work hard in different ways. You will get knowledge, grow your talent, then definitely you will be become successful in your life. So friends, be smart. Champions, we understand here. Champions, champions have, how does champions make? A desire, a dream, a vision. Which has a desire, a dream, a vision, they will become champions and famous in the world. The will must be stronger than the skill. Will is essential. Will must be stronger than the skill. Suppose anyone have a skill, but he or she has not will, then how does it become successful in his or her life? Then sense of originality and stepping stone, both important things. Both important things are essential to make successful. And next thing is smart. We easily hear we easily hear make an acrostic like as yes, yes means specific, then M means measurable, A means achievable, R means realistic, and last is T means time bound. And these assets, these important things, if anyone have, then he or she will make smart, make himself or herself smart. Okay, I think that friends, you have understand be smart very well. So try again and again to read that passage and detect some important points, and then definitely my friends, 10th class friends, we understand uh, we understand the lesson which is taught here. So we detect knowledge with the help of another material, like as different types of apps, with the help of our Google browser. Then definitely we will be there are available different videos that is given here with QR code, and with the help of that QR code we will be reach reach our knowledgeable pages. And definitely I wish all friends you use different types of materials to detect, to understand, to learn some things from the lesson. Be smart. Okay, thank you, thank you, thank you very much.